Before you get started, we'd like to show you this prototype for an elastic holiday racer. First, build or select a wheel. The one you see here was created using a short section of an empty paper towel roll with several cardboard circles inserted for support. The drive elastic goes across the cylinder and is held in place by two other smaller elastic bands. Those help hold the drive elastic in place and also give some traction for this wheel. Your teacher has the final say on how many elastic bands and the size used to drive the vehicle. Check with them before you make changes. The drive elastic is held on two tabs on opposite sides of the container that is your vehicle. Here, a small plastic tub is used. We cut two slits in each side to make a tab, and the drive elastic gets attached to that tab here and here. To store up some elastic potential energy, you can twist the wheel while the vehicle is upside down, or you can hold the vehicle right side up and press it against the table and drag it towards yourself to make that wheel turn and store some elastic potential energy. After your tests, write down your observations and discuss with your team what improvements you wish to make. Good luck!